Ryan, eiliadau ffwr o sicrhau 3 pwynt da oddi cartra. Pel droed yn gallu bod yn greulon weithiau?
Y greulon yn union, ond i ddod lan i'r Fflint ar fod wedi sadwn i wario gêm byth yn rwydd, so o'n i'n bles iawn gyda'r perfformiad heddi. Oedd yn broffesiynol iawn, gêm oedd i gartre, ffindo ni moment i sgorio ac just methu a dal ymlaen reit yn y diwedd. A chwarae teg yn nhw wedi trio bwrw ar y drws sawl gwaith, ond o'n i'n gadarn iawn tan yr eiliadau ola yna.
Just a point,
yeah.
But it feels like a big and important point.
It's a massive point in the context of the Bala losing before us. A good point for us in terms of going goal behind, and obviously scoring in the last minute or so shows that there's good character there at the moment. So I'm really pleased with it. I think that's 5 unbeaten now, 4 unbeaten, and so the lads are showing a different side to the game that we've been accustomed to, sort of in possession. They're now showing the other side of it. I questioned them last week about their first contact, second contacts. I thought they were really good at that today, and thought it was like an even contest, to be fair, with both teams.
Jake, late drama, you were right at the centre of it. That feels like a big point.
Yeah, it does, yeah. I feel like we might have deserved more throughout the game. We made most chances, I thought, dominated the ball. But at the end of the day, it's a point, isn't it? So.
And with that point, you inch a bit further from that bottom two. And I know that's the priority, staying in the league this season.
Yeah, that is the priority, but you've got to take it game by game, I suppose. Listen, it's a point above Bala, but they've still got to come here, so anything can happen.
Gol y Fflint, oeddech chi lawr i 10 dyn ar y pryd. Oedd James Clark oedd ar y cae. Dyla James Clark wedi cael dod ymlaen bach yn gynta nath o?
Fi'n credu, oedd bell dros hanner munud cyn dath yn ôl ymlaen. Ac mae fe'n greulon achos fe sy'n mynd off gyda'i ben. Ac ni lawr i 10 dyn, a mae bron bod fel cic rydd ar ochr y cae. So, cyflurwydd i nhw roi'r bel yn y cwrt a wario teg i'r Fflint. Maen nhw'n bocsio ni mewn yn arbennig dda, maen nhw'n neud yna tybeth un yn oed os mae'n ar 10 o chwaraewyr ni, a ni wedi stryglo i jyst i cael gwared ar bel heddi ar y munud olaf, a dyna beth sydd wedi costi ni.
You've got one more league game to go before that big cup semi-final. I know you said last week you're taking it a game at a time. And it's a long journey down to Haverfordwest next Sunday. It's a tough game.
Yeah, Pens is flying. He's a good group, good guy, good team. The Bangor game looks after itself. We're not interested in that until we lead into that week. As I told you before, we've cut all communication off with it. We don't want to talk about the semi-final of the cup until we actually need to. So yeah, we're going to go down long distance. We'll prepare right to travel down the day before, hotel, and then ultimately is two good teams going to play football. And we're in good form, they're in good form. Let's go and have a good game of football against each other.